we must keep distinction between descriptive and normative, of course, they are quite different. But as for criticism belongs to all responsible intellectual activities, but it's not a replacement for constructive work. Criticism, first of all, is much easier than invention and creation. Negative statements are much easier to uphold. For instance, it is true that you are not an elephant. Well, that's it's very true, but not very helpful. Yeah. But critical theory, so far as I understand it, emphasizes conflict at the expense of cooperation. And again, I think that conflict and cooperation are two sides of the same coin. In every social group, there is bound to be conflict, but in order for the group to exist, there must be some cooperation at a certain point, in certain respects. So, and also, I don't think that the so-called critical theories have explained anything. They haven't produced any theories or not even of conflict. They haven't produced any theory of modernization, any theories that could explain the relentless expansion of capitalism in the third world and so on. In any case, if you look at the contemporary sociological literature, especially in the journals, I don't think that any of them sticks to one of these three aspects. But normative, of course, every policy scientist tries to propose certain norms, if normative, but he will fail if he's not very well informed by descriptive theories and especially data, empirical data. And this is what's missing. For instance, there are no data about the degree of alienation or margination in the various societies, in particular in the third world. And yet this exclusion is, of course, one of the main sources of conflict, of bloody conflict. Until recently, many countries didn't keep a track of the changes in the Gini index of income inequality. For instance, Argentina doesn't have one. Most other countries do have one, finally. But there are many other indexes that are missing.